What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. My name is Hasib, and today we'll be doing an unboxing on a recent Supreme pickup. Now, I got this item on Grailed a few days ago, and this was from a collab that came out a few weeks ago from Supreme that in my opinion is very underrated and very slept on. And at first, the item I wanted, I didn't really plan on getting, but then once I saw one of my favorite YouTubers wear it, I had to pick it up. So let's get into this box. In this box, I see you have a little blue t-shirt, and this t-shirt is the Supreme Ramelzi collab that came out week 4 of the Supreme 2020 spring-summer season. And again, this collab I think is very slept on. During this collab, there was another t-shirt that came out, as well as an all-over print hoodie and all-over print pants. And I saw one of my favorite Supreme YouTubers wear this, and I thought it was just like a really dope t-shirt, and I had to get it. And I don't have that many shirts that are this colorway, so I decided why not to pick it up. And I actually got this for a steal. This is going for like 50 bucks brand new, which is not that bad because Supreme t-shirts usually go for like $44 retail. So again, very clean. This is again the Ramelzi tee, and I think Supreme and Ramelzi have collaborated a few times, but this is the most recent. And he's actually a graffiti artist that's popular in like the New York City area. He was really familiar with Jean-Michel Basquiat as well. I think they were good friends. And he was just known for his graffiti artist, wild style type of graffiti. And it's actually just a really dope t-shirt. So getting into the details of this t-shirt, in the front you have a very nice Supreme graphic that's actually tagged in like Ramelzi style. On the sides of the t-shirt you actually have some graphics as well. I can't really tell what it says, but it's dope in the end. And then on the back of this t-shirt, it's actually, I think what it says is how to like type or like graffiti write some of his styling, and he just teaches you how to like write some of this stuff on the back. And again, I think it's just really dope in my opinion. I just like the t-shirt, just very unique, and also it just doesn't scream out Supreme all that much. And again, just a very dope t-shirt, just a quick little unboxing I had for you guys today. And let me know if you guys want to see more Supreme pickups from me or just more items from my Supreme collection as well. I've been collecting Supreme for about a few years now, so I want to let you guys know to see if you guys want to see more of that. And again, thank you again for watching my video today. Please like and comment on this video, as well as subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more updates on videos. Follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Y. And again, thank you for watching today's video. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.